Today we're making these easy chocolate truffles, which are so easy and quick to make, and they're absolutely delicious, and they're perfect for this festive season. So these are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the truffles, and you can also double the recipe if you want more of them. So firstly, you're going to break the biscuits into smaller pieces. And then you're going to add them to a mixer to grind them. You can also add them to a plastic bag and crush them if you don't mind some bits and pieces here and there. Add all of the biscuit powder to a big bowl. And then you're going to crush the cashew nuts as well, and you can use any other nuts if you want to. Now to the biscuit powder, add in the cocoa powder. And the cashew nuts. Mix them all together until uniformly combined. Then you're going to add in the condensed milk a little at a time. And mix it in with the spatula. The mixture is going to start turning sticky, but that's okay. Add in all your condensed milk at the end and keep mixing. You can later mix by hand when the mixture starts becoming very sticky. And in the end, you should get a dough somewhat like that. And don't worry if it's not a proper dough, because you're just going to be scooping it out anyway. You're going to scoop the mixture a little bit at a time with a tablespoon, and you can make these truffles as big or as small as you like. Roll them in your palm. And make sure your hands are clean so that they do not stick. And then you can roll them into the coating of your choice. So here I'm using some desiccated coconut. Place them onto your serving dish and then repeat. Next, I'm using some colorful sprinkles. These look really pretty on the truffles. And lastly, I'm using some chocolate vermicelli. You can use any coating that you prefer, even some crushed nuts or just plain cocoa powder, and they would just be absolutely beautiful and classy to look at. If these don't scream Christmas, I don't know what does. And here is me taking a bite into the chocolate sprinkle one because that's my favorite. These are super chocolatey but not overly sweet because the biscuits balance out the condensed milk, and the crunch from the nuts is so delightful. Make sure to try these out this December and let me know how they turn out for you. Happy holidays, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!